this video, I'm going to show you how to send Instagram notes, or you can call it Instagram voice notes, just like the WhatsApp note. So here you can like the notes and you can send notes to all contact on your Instagram account. So I don't know if this is helpful and educative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. When you want to use the Instagram voice note, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you update the Instagram application to the latest version. So if you're using Android or iPhone, make sure you go to the Google Play Store, you go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, you want to tap on the Instagram application and see if there is an update awaiting you. And if there is an update just like this, make sure you update the Instagram app to the latest version. The latest Instagram app, you'll be able to have access to the voice notes or note feature on your Instagram account. Then once that is done, open the Instagram application just like this. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right if you're using iPhone, or at the top right if you're using Android. Once you click on that, then there should be a note feature here just above your profile. So you should see a note above your Instagram profile. This. Then click on that. Then you should see you can now mention friends to send notes. So you need to do is just, if you want to tag any friend, just tap at the name of the friend, then share your notes with the person. Then you see, add a song you like. Then click on this add a song. Here you can just add a song to the notes. Let's say I want to add this song to the note. There you go. So click on done. Then you can just add the person. Let's say I want to add this particular person. There you go. Then click on the share button at the top right. You can also record notes on your own and send it to the person at by typing add and then select the Instagram username and claim. Click on that and then click on the share button. Once you hit that, it says the note shared here is above my profile. Now if you go to the conversation on your Instagram, come here, click on this chat icon at the top right. Now click on the send contact. Then you should see the note here. You should say, so this is the note. So this is how to create and send note on Instagram. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.